In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro for funnel design. To get started, open Miro and create a new board. A fresh board gives you a clean canvas, which is ideal for mapping out a funnel from the first touch point all the way through to conversion. Once the board loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the main canvas area, so anything you add will be easy to see and move around. Next, click on the highlight tool. The highlighter is useful because it helps you call attention to key parts of your funnel, like important stages, decision points, or priority offers. It is also a simple way to create visual structure on a busy board, especially when you are collaborating with a team or presenting the funnel to someone else. After you have selected highlight, type in your highlight. As you type, keep your labels short and specific so they are easy to scan. For funnel design, this could be the name of a stage, a campaign label, or a note that explains what happens in that section. Try to use consistent wording across the board, because consistency makes the funnel easier to understand at a glance. If you are planning multiple funnels or variations, clear labels will save you time later when you come back to revise. Once your highlight text is in place, move on and click on Marketing Funnel. This is where you bring in a funnel structure designed for marketing workflows. Selecting the Marketing Funnel option gives you a ready-made layout you can build on, rather than drawing everything from scratch. From here, you can start aligning your highlighted labels with the funnel framework, so each part of your process has a clear home on the canvas. As you work, keep your funnel readable by spacing elements out and keeping related items close together. The goal is to make the flow obvious from start to finish, so anyone viewing the board understands the journey without needing extra explanation. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.